Today, I wanted to have a training resource that would be available for our community who's working with people who've been incarcerated.
I'm Emily, and I'm a staff attorney at Root and Rebound, and what we're doing today is a legal roadmap to reentry training workshop. Right now in the United States, there's 44,000 laws on the books that discriminate against people with criminal records. That includes things like where someone can live, where someone can sleep, where someone can work, whether they can see their children, and whether or not they can access certain forms of identification.
We decided which information to include in this toolkit based off of what folks told us they were experiencing in their daily lives. This is a workbook or a primer meant for families who have loved ones who are coming home from incarceration. And the idea behind it is that in order to truly do what's best for your family and to do what's best for your loved one, you need to know where to begin.
If we think of mass incarceration as a modern-day equivalent of slavery, then we need to see that a systematic uplift of our community is required. And the work that Root and Rebound is doing is far beyond the kind of work that I can do within a trial courtroom.
We believe at Root and Rebound that giving people legal information is important in teaching them how they can navigate these barriers, because there's so many of them and they're so critical to understand.
A lot of the feedback that we've received is, until I heard of Root and Rebound, until I saw your Roadmap to Reentry guide, until I went to your website, I had no clue that this existed.
I would love to get a copy of the Roadmap to Reentry and its companion toolkits into the hands of every single person leaving jail or prison in California. And I would love to see these other programs like Root and Rebound exist in other states.
Reentry is a lifelong process, and we're here for the long haul to help folks out to the best of our abilities.